This video is to inform you on the misconception that polls don't represent the whole population. For many reasons, this isn't true, and today we're going to show you why. This statement is false because almost all pollsters use weighting to accurately represent every demographic of a population. In many professions, pollsters need and want to keep their credibility. Providing accurate data is a pollster's number one obligation. Pollsters use probability sampling to ensure proper surveying of a population. Now, what exactly is weighting? According to the American Association for Public Opinion Research, weighting adjusts the poll data in an attempt to ensure that the sample more accurately reflects the characteristics of the population from which it was drawn and to which an inference will be made.
Let's take a look at an example. The male population of Bobkowskiville is 132, while the male sample of this survey was 98. The female population of Bobkowskiville is 115, while the female sample was 129. What weights would you use to adjust the sample of Bobkowskiville to accurately represent the population? So as you can see in these equations, the sample proportion number is highlighted in purple and the population proportion number is highlighted in blue. You take the sample proportion times the weight to find out the actual population. So in order to find out the weight from the information that we have from this example, you would rearrange the formula so that weight equals population proportion divided by sample proportion. So for the males, you would do 132 divided by 98 to get a weight of 1.35. For females, you would do 115 divided by 129 to get the weight of 0.89.
You see this by looking at the weight that comes out. Because the male weight is over 1, that means that the population needs to be weighted for more than 100% because it was underrepresented. The female weight is under 1 because it was overrepresented and needs to be weighted for less than 100%. If you didn't use weighting, the male population would have less say than it should, and the female population would have more of a say than it should. So why is weighting important? Weighting is simply important because it helps account for all of the people in a population. Weighting also allows pollsters to keep their credibility and ensures that their work for the public is accurate.